Because the answer as per computer sheet supplied the House.
जॉईंट जातो येत नंबर तुका हय हय जॉईंट जातो विजया बरोबर
Honorable Speaker,
सुरे तू पहिली येतलो जॉईंट जातो विजय पहिली
joint. Honorable Speaker, former Union Minister Suresh Prabhun सांगलोले कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी आमचे गांवांचे काडून जाय म्हणून सगळे हांसपा लागले आनी जोक्स करताले मागीर हांव मेळ्ळो तेन्ना बासोरात चलोन वयता तेन्ना ते म्हाका सांगलां कितें ते कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी आनी म्हणलें आमचे गांव आहा ते अर्बन जातले आनी अर्बन म्हणल्यार मागीर आमचे गोंयाचे गांव आहा ते कावर जातले. So I believe that this urbanization will change the nature and character of our villages, and that will be a major shift in a demographic pattern. Our character of the villages and its soul will be lost. Right now we are facing problems about road, we are also having problems relating to spaces, and we are having problems relating to water. And now with the regulations which you are bringing, you are reducing even the time frames of panchayat to decide whether they will not even have time to go for inspections and all that. And this will be a major problem which they will face. So I have to, my first question which I want to put, you have given me the answers by saying that the village panchayats have not carrying out any demographic, or the carrying capacity has not been carried out. But at the end of the day, it is by your directions they are bound to carry out the, approve them and give them the construction licenses. Now, what can you make amendment in the law so as to make this mandatory, so as to ease the burden of the locals who are residing, so that the carrying capacity can be analyzed, and in the context of the Gram Sabhas, I'm not talking of single units, I'm not talking of a few units, but when it comes to multiple units, large units, what we call mega projects, or these big gated colonies which come, which change the democratic pattern, which are now invading my constituency. Already it is now in other parts of the coastal areas of Bardez and other places in Salsette have already come, especially the coastal belts, where you have huge villas like 90 villas or flats and all which are coming. What kind of an assurance can you give as to do this? My first question.
Because I think what the Honorable Member Carlos Pereira is asking, Spashpade, very clearly the answer has been given in my written answer. But I also appreciate his concern that the demographic entire thing is, demography is going to change. You are going to have unabated development in villages everywhere in Goa where we used to not see any development. हांव तेका मुद्दम सांगपा सोदता. Today also as you move in entire Goa, it becomes very difficult to distinguish between a rural area and an urban area. That's why a new term also is being used, calling it true urban. Which is rural, which is urban, you cannot make out. Speaker sir, but as far as what he is implying or saying, the projects that are coming up, panchayats do not have the mechanism to judge the carrying capacity of a village. Normally what happens, the normal procedure which you must be knowing, the plans get passed by the town and country planning department and or the PDAs and other agencies, they come for only grant of license to the panchayat. That is our role. Now in spite of that, what happens sometimes is, in villages obviously there is, they call now the term mega project is there, and rightly so. In some cases people object, but a objection yeta tenna gram sabha munasta, everybody gathers there, they create objection, and they have in some cases even stop projects. It's after long time, after certain corrections are made, where it goes to those particular respective department, and again it comes perhaps to the panchayat, and then they clear it. This is the mechanism. But as your question says, carrying capacity judge korun diupache kaina tenna, amkode ekuz mechanism ha panchayatin, and that mechanism, because it is grassroots democracy, it is the people who decide in the gram sabha, oh amka project naka. In some cases they have managed to stop also, which you have seen. There is a little bit of confusion now because of, you know, the factors. So people don't know which project will come up, which project will not come up also. There is a certain uncertainty. So as against that uncertainty, The panchayats can do very little. All they can do is the people in that village can come together and think. I'll give you one classic example. A five-star hotel right in the heart of city, Marriott, what has come. The road, is it a broad road enough for a five-star hotel? But it came up, no? Just one example I am giving. Like that, there are umpteen examples. In the villages also, developments have come up. Tall buildings have come up. That's why I am saying it is a rural urban area. Can you stop development per se? Because there is demand, people are building. Today population is rising in every village. Our own Goans also are building. It's not that only outside people are coming. And ultimately who sells the land to the other outside people? It's our Goans only. So there has to be a rethink of sorts of everyone concerned. Whether we are going to allow Goa with unabated development, don't blame only the panchayats. Panchayats have a limited role to play, and that they are playing already through the Gram Sabhas as well as the panchayat bodies which decide. Kite jai, kite na, te panchayat decide karta.
Honorable Speaker, I appreciate the concerns of the Honorable Minister and the government in this regard, and recognizing the issues which arise out of this carrying capacity failure to assess. But our specific, my pointed question is, Poile, you have a 2012 opinion of the Learned Advocate General which was given, and the Director of Panchayat says that the Gram Sabha cannot take decisions on construction licenses, and that is being followed in letter and spirit. If the Panchayat rejects, now you are giving an appeal to the BDO or to the Deputy Director who will override the Panchayat and say you will have to give, because if the town planning parameters are met, they have to give. So there is no option. Now, in this background, when the Panchayats are virtually becoming like post offices, because if TCP clearance is there, they are bound to give it, unless they find some discrepancy on title or some road issue which is not available. Otherwise, the rest they are bound to put a stamp and give it. Our specific question is, what way can you, as a Panchayat Minister, permit the amendment of the Panchayat Raj Act to take these factors into consideration, which can be considered by a Panchayat when giving the construction license?
Speaker, sir, Honorable Carlos Ferreira is a learned advocate. I cannot amend the Panchayati Raj in such a way, things what have been cleared by other departments. As he says, yes, it is like a post office only. But they nevertheless hold the projects. And you know the reasons why in certain panchayats, certain huge projects are being held up. And only after certain things happen, they get cleared. You and I know it, the entire house knows it. I don't want to say that in the house, but as against that background, Speaker sir, जे already आमका proposal clear जावन येता, PDN आसून दी, बाकीचे permission, environmental clearance आसून दी, बाकीचे आसून दी, पंचायत कशे हाडायतले? Can I get a law to obstruct that? As you rightly say, Gram Sabha may say we don't want, but that does not mean to say Gram Sabha can stop it. Then they go in appeal they have to give the decision which is legally correct, and then the projects come up. But in the bargain, one good thing happens, certain things which would have been worse for the village get corrected by itself. That has been happening. It's not that Gram Sabha exercises or the opinion of the people is completely discounted. No, it is not so. Their opinion also ultimately is taken into consideration. Like if there is no proper road, then they try to widen the road. There are certain amenities which are not there, they try to give the amenities. It is like that. Speaker sir, एक आम्ही realize जावपाक जाय, development per se stop करपाक जायना. आता development येता तेन्ना yes, तेंका उदक जाय पडटा, तेंका light जाय पडटा, ते बाकीचे availability दिता. It is whether the chicken came first or the egg came first. Development जाले म्हणटच automatic तेंका transformer येता, व्हडल्यो लायन्यो येता, capacity, substation येता, रस्ते ruin जाता. That comes afterwards, subsequently it happens. So this is a exercise which is always going to be continuous. And Goa that way is the most preferred destination, not only by tourists, of having second homes now. That's why people have now started to move in the interiors. You realize that, you and I realize that, but what can you do? We are in the Union of India, we sometimes fail to realize that.
See, I think Honorable Minister has not perfectly understood what I am trying to say. When the town planning decides, the town planning looks at it from a planning point of view, whether your plot size, whether your zone is correct, whether this permissible development is permissible, but it's not concerned about the impact on the village. Please understand this. This can be only looked at by a panchayat, and if you don't have the provision, that's what I'm trying to say. The provision does not exist, you acknowledge it. And each department will give, subject to availability, build a swimming pool, get water. Do you know whether they get the water by tanks? They're getting water from our drinking water they're putting in it. So my thing is, at least to that extent, where the village panchayat can decide on this need for this carrying capacity, which they can make an assessment, at least to enable. Otherwise, you have no jurisdiction, you have no statutory power, because unless the statute is amended, you don't give them power. If you can't allow the village panchayats to do it, why can the government not carry out such exercise using experts? Because I know, आमचे गावांचे पोंबुर्पा ओलावली, आमचे आल्दोना, उकसाई, मोयरा आणि बास्तोरा हे 100 गांव आमचे आहात ते नॅशनला 100 पंचायत आसात ते. हांव कोंकणीन कितें सांगता, दुसरे आयकतले आनी म्हणटले मागीर अरे हे बरे आहात म्हणून येतले गोंयांत, म्हाका नाका. म्हूण if you are having this kind of a situation which is erupting across the villages, and I think need is, and you are recognizing that people are coming for second homes, not it is coming for necessity of a home, as a second luxury home. So, and at the cost of us who live over here. And very often these luxury homes, second homes are being used as rent back or whatever, on these B&B and whatever those kind of things. So, Airbnb. So, no, Airbnb is a company. There's a bread and breakfast that is under the tourism department. So there are two differences on that. So my thing is, at the cost of us who are already there, we suffer with this kind of development which keeps coming. Uncontrolled, I use this word. So at least that is the demand. If you can't make an amendment, at least why don't you make a provision for the government to carry out the carrying capacity in each of these villages?
Speaker, sir, as I understand, and if it is the consensus of the House, what the Honorable Member is simply suggesting is try to have a mechanism wherein the burden of clearing the project after it is cleared by other departments should not fall entirely on the panchayat. There should be a mechanism which the mega projects, for example, the projects which will alter the availability of basic amenities like electricity, water supply, sewage, drainage, all this.
Final decision.
Then a committee, Speaker sir, a committee can be formed and then it can be referred to the government, and only when this particular committee clears, then only that can be allowed. If you are suggesting
No.
that, then there is no other mechanism that can be
You
worked
can't
out.
allow
That
committee
tomorrow-
and external,
You are
I
suggesting
don't want that
that, in
committee.
effect, you are suggesting that, because
No,
what
I'm
will
not
happen
asking
by
for
that?
committee, I'm
Tomorrow
saying
panchayat will
you
say
are
we are
talking,
encroaching
you are
upon their
talking
right.
of constitutional powers of a panchayat. Panchayat is today not a statutory body but a constitutional body.
Yeah.
So you can't put a committee to sit over and abdicate and take away the powers of a panchayat. They can't do it. I'm saying empower the panchayat, I'm not saying take it away.
Because sir, then I'll ask him, just 1 minute.
Yeah.
And I'll ask him a simple question. What is the way to do it? I'm asking you.
You
There's
amend
no
the
way you
statute,
can do it.
I will give you the wordings.
No, then what is the way to do it?
I will give you, I'll give the
Tell
wordings,
me
you
the
amend,
mechanism.
you make an
I
assurance,
will
I'll give you
adopt
the
that
wordings, I'll give you a
mechanism.
suggestion.
If it is for betterment of the village protection,
Yes.
we are also, this government also is for protection
Definitely,
of the
that's
village
why I
and the
appreciated
local
your
goikas.
response.
Yes.
I-
Goikas to right protect purpose hai. Sang ki them-
Yes.
I'm asking you therefore.
I'll give you the
getting the
amendment,
point will
I'll
not
give you the
help.
suggestion, I don't have a problem.
बिकॉज सर मंत्र्यान आतां सांगला की ग्राम सभा म्हणटा त्यो रिझोल्युशनां घेतात केन्ना केन्ना प्रोजेक्ट हाडायता तूं ग्राम सभेक रिकॉग्नायज करता इन द रिसंट पास्ट 4th May 2025 नुवें 19th May 2025 बाणावले 27th June 2025 करमळे 19th January 2025 चोडणा हे आतां ग्राम सभा रिझोल्युशनचा स्पेसिफिक asking for to carry out a capacity study, carrying capacity study. ते कितें म्हणटात की कोणे तरी carrying capacity ची study करची. As you say, the panchayat is not equipped to do this carrying capacity study. So they are taking a resolution and they want the government to carry out this carrying capacity. In addition, Honorable colleague has mentioned Suresh Prabhu's name, who also advises Honorable Chief Minister. So the point is, you know that there is huge influx. There is a strain on our resources and therefore a carrying capacity study is required. My simple question is, as a representative of the cabinet answering this question, is the government wanting to carry out a carrying capacity study?
Speaker sir, since this has emerged in a very strong manner, the government will work on a sort of mechanism wherein we can perhaps consider as guidelines to the panchayat what is according to the carrying capacity or according to the number of people living in the villages, what is the strata, whether there are khazan lands, whether there are fields, what can be permissions can be given or not to be given. We can work out some guidelines working on the carrying
हांव
capacity.
सादे कोंकणीन सांगता आतां हांव म्हणटा की कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटीची स्टडी जावची म्हणून ग्रामसभा मागता पंचायतीच्यान ते करपाक तांचे कडेन रिसोर्सीस ना आनी तांचे कडेन नो हाव ना सरकार ती कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी स्टडी करूंक सोदता गायडलायन्स न्ही कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटीची स्टडी म्हळ्यार कितें हें जर तूं प्रश्न विचारता हांव तुका फुडें सांगता पूण कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी स्टडी मंत्र्याक खबर आसतली ही तुमी करपाक तयारी तुमची आसा वो ना हो म्हाका सादो येस ऑर नो क्वेश्चन जाय
स्पीकर सर, हांव मान्य करता जे मान्य सुरेश प्रभूनी उलयल्ले ते सारखे. आमी डेव्हलपमेंट आमकां जाय, गोंय आमकां फुडें गेल्लें जाय, कशें वयतलें, कितले पुसान आमी एलाव करतले आनी ते हितून तरी कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी स्टडी करपा जाय. हितून दुसरेय डिपार्टमेंट इन्वॉल्व जातले. हांव म्हाज्या डिपार्टमेंटाचो मूव करून बाकीचे सगळे डिपार्टमेंटा इन्वॉल्व करून वी वील वर्क आउट ट्राय टू वर्क आउट अ मेकॅनिझम to work out the carrying capacity of every village in Goa for that matter. It's not a bad idea.
स्पीकर सर तू आता जॉईंट क्वेश्चन स्पीकर सर सरकार एक्नॉलेज करता की मटेरियल रिकवरी फॅसिलिटी म्हळ्यार MRF इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इन मोस्ट गोवन विलेजीस इज आयदर ग्रॉसली इनएडिक्वेट और ऑलरेडी ओवरवेल्म. हांव तुका फॅक्ट सांगता स्पीकर सर 20 out of 30 villages in Salche, 10 out of 11 in Kepping, 10 out of 33 in Bardez. Key growth hubs like in Tiswadi like Azosi, Mandur, Bamboli, Kurka, Neura, Kumarjiva. These are all lacking basic wet waste management facilities. Now this waste is going to be created by people who are going to come there, going to stay there, make second homes, build hotels, whatever. Speaker sir, in Majorda, for example, an MRF has been built on a questionable land. कोण हाडून काडल्यात बांदले 18K sectionाचेर construction केले. 90% of the villages do not have any mechanism to handle sanitary waste beds. This is a study that is showing. So basically, our waste management infrastructure in rural areas is falling apart. This is a fact. I am giving you as a fact. Speaker sir, आता town planning कशें approval दिता हे आमकां सगळें खबर आहा. Town planning will go as Kalu says from planning point of view. They'll say as per the regional plan, this is the FAR, this is the width of the road, that is everything. Now this is beyond that, because even the people who conceptualized the regional plan 2021 didn't expect that you will have a government like this, which will make cities out of villages.
Yes.
And call them rural. 1 minute, speaker. 1 minute, question galta. So, how आता मागता तू transport minister आहा. Does the panchayat or any authority actually study the traffic load and the road capacity before granting permission for mega projects? येदेशे रस्त्यार चड करून आमी कांदोळी, कलंगूट थंय पळयतात. येदोसो रस्तो आनी 5 star हॉटेल भितर 500 रूम.
Yes,
स्पीकर सर ट्रॅफिक लोड तो ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर आहा आनी पंचायत मिनिस्टर आहा. ट्रॅफिक लोड आनी रोड कॅपॅसिटी हाजेर कितें स्टडी जाता मेगा प्रोजेक्ट अप्रूव्ह करचे पयलीं आनी जायना जाल्यार तूं करपाक तयार आहा.
स्पीकर सर, हांवें सुरवातेकूच सांगला इन माय ओपनिंग रिमार्क्स, गोंयान पळयल्या 5 स्टार हॉटेल आसा, व्हडले व्हडले प्रोजेक्ट आहा, रस्ते सारके उशीर आसा आनी one minute no let me finish, I am on my legs. स्पीकर सर, आनी ते इवन रूंद करपाक शक्यच ना. ती घरां कितें डेमोलिश करतले. आमी आख्खे गोंयानूय हांव जेन्ना भोंवता तेन्ना आय गेट सरप्रायज आनी लोकांनी कितें केलां आपली दुर्गां काडपा आनी भायर येयला आपले दुरीक काडून म्हणजे 2 गाडयो सुद्दां क्रॉस जायना. ही स्थिती आख्खे गोंयान आसा. तरी आसतना आमी कितें पळयतात थिंगाच आमच्या गोंयकारांनीय बांदला आनी दुसऱ्याय लोकांनी बांदला व्हडली व्हडली हॉटेलां. तीच गाडयो क्रॉस करपा एकदां केस्तांव सुद्दां जाता. बट दिस इज द स्टेट ऑफ अफेअर्स. नाव कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी इज समथींग which we have to work out, we have to do a study it involves also other departments. I'll request Honorable Chief Minister also that we will work on this so that
The
there is
traffic
a,
load,
one
traffic,
minute, so that there is a definite plan.
Speaker sir.
Now, as far as roads are concerned, and he's saying traffic plan, as
Traffic
Tode
load.
village the other day, it figured, I think,
Honorable
one minute,
Minister, just one thing, you spoke charges specifically on the
Speaker, sir, when my flow of thought goes,
Speaker sir, no, you spoke, I'll just specifically ask you.
अरे बसून घ्या बरं उत्तर टाइम देतो का
मंत्री answer विभाग होते.
टाइम देता बसून घ्या
दौडमाला.
भविष्य ना निलेश काब्राल निलेश काब्राल
जे घातलेले 2C तेका आन्सर कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी ऑफ विलेजीस हांव मंत्र्याचे नदर हाडूंक सोदता तेणी आन्सर दिला हितू भितर काकोरा केपे जे TCPन तुमकां आन्सर दिला तुवें शॉर्टकट केला आनी धाडला आन्सर काकोरा केपे पंचायत ना स्पीकर सर इट इज अ विलेज पंचायत विलेज CCMC कुचरा काकोरा म्युनिसिपॅलिटी हाऊ कॅन यू आन्सर इन पंचायत दिस क्वेश्चन व्हेन यू हैव यू डोंट चेक युअर आन्सर स्पीकर सर हो प्रॉब्लम कितें आसा सांगता स्पीकर सर TCP is considering Kakora also as part of a village panchayat because their affairs are not as per CCMC. So goal on speaker sir. Even honorable minister answered his answer. My question to him is very simple. In his answer, what he has given, he has made Kandoli, Kalangut, here they all project. Whether he will consider such panchayats in future to be converted into municipality because panchayats are much bigger than the municipality now, speaker sir. What is that role which you are going to define? Whether this will remain as a panchayat, whether that will remain as a municipality? How are you going to work on the mechanism on this plan? Because from your answer, if you go to your answer, you will find everything in Kandoli and Kalangut, speaker sir. So that is my question is, what is the role you will find out? Whether this will remain as a panchayat or whether this has to be removed as a panchayat and classified as a corporation or municipality?
Speaker sir.
No, Speaker, sir, I will look into this specific query what he has raised. Okay, I will look into that.
यस पंचवी गस
एकूच नदरे हाडू सोदिता मंत्री म्हणटा की ग्राम सभा आणि पंचायत आर द टूल्स वेर यू कॅन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड वेन कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी कम्स तुगे सरकार आयकोता ग्राम सभा नाक मुळे पंचायतीन नाक मुळे हांव चार्ज कोता स्पेशली तुमगे ग्राम सभागे रेझोल्युशन आसतना पंचायतीन ना म्हणून आसतना CRZ ना म्हणून आसतना हे तरी पूण आसतना तुम्ही IPB प्रमोशन बोर्डा अंडर तुम्ही जमीन पास कोताय प्रोजेक्ट हाडपाक specific when panchayat is saying they do not want, when gram sabha is saying we do not want, on the basis of carrying capacity, and it goes to the BDO, what will the BDO give an answer? What is the answer your BDO should give? Because तुका सध्या काय ना carrying capacity म्हणून definition तुगे पंचायत राज एक्टा ना. So जेन्ना पंचायत आणि ग्राम सभा दोगांय resolution काढून धाडटा he based on carrying capacity. Carrying capacity means my road infrastructure is not there, my electricity 24 hours is not there, my water 24 hours is not there. यो सगळ्यो वस्तू सिवेज सारखना वेट गार्बेज कलेक्शन ना हे सगळे मुगे गावा वाड्या ना आसतना आपण हे ओपोज करता तुगे व्हिडिओ गे आन्सर आस्तलो
बसून घ्या
Speaker sir, I think he is jumbling everything together, but still I will answer him. Garbage पडोवपाक Goa Waste Management Corporation asa number 1, SBM program asa, SBM 1 जावन 2 जावन SBM 3 जालो, MRF sheds आहा. Okay, मान्य थोडे मेंबरांनी सांगला थोडे कडेन सारखे चलना mechanism. See, एक साइडी म्हणटा no, they are under constitution, they are local self-governing bodies. So it is up to them to make all this work. Government gives them the equipment. I have been fighting ONM, operation and maintenance, तांकां आमी काय funds दिना. आता आम्ही तांकां सांगिल्ले आसा अंडर 14th and 15th फायनान्स कमिशन जे फंड्स आसा ते यूज करा टू मेंटेन युअर गार्बेज टू वर्क अ मेकॅनिझम
he is not answering me. Come on, answer कोना
दुसरे
I मुळे जेन्ना गावान जालना हो infrastructure ready
question altogether
तर
is
video
also
कित answer दिलो
bringing projects cleared by IPB. Once IPB clears certain projects, how can the video give a decision against what decision has been cleared by higher authority?
I'll be very specific. See,
very specific.
there is-
व्हिडिओ बरे गेलो एक प्रोजेक्ट जेन्ना गावान इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तयार ना कोणा गेलो गुन्यांव जावं तो तुगे गुन्यांव व्हिडिओ कित म्हूण आन्सर दितलो हाऊ विल दे गो बॅक व्हॉट इज द आन्सर दे वांट
होय, specific
question now. Carrying capacity, you know the definition. What is the definition of carrying capacity? I'll just read.
स्पेसिफिक
the
विचारा
definition.
था
Carrying capacity refers to the maximum population size of a species that a specific environment can sustainably support given the available resources like food, water, shelter and space. It represents the point where population growth slows down. And that's because here carrying capacity, म्हाका दिसता हेजेर बाब रोहन काउंटीन announce केला budgetan that your SCM, National Center for Sustainable Coastal Management, they are doing a carrying capacity only on the beach carrying capacity, only on beach. Now everyone has said,
तुमचे प्रश्न सर
वेन कोट हांव केलो आहा ते मी करपा मुखार प्रयत्न केला आतां
तुमचे प्रश्न
जे आमी लास्ट टाइम एक कॉलिंग अटेंशन हाडले वायनाड जे पड जाला प्रोफेसर गडगील हेणे हो रिपोर्ट दिला ते गोंय जावपा ना पूण कित गॅरंटी आहा
Yes.
आनी म्हाका हेजेर कॅप्टन हो जो आहा कॅप्टनान उब रावन म्हाजे कॅप्टनान आन्सर दिवपाचो तो कॅप्टन ना तो तिसरो आहा तूं कॅप्टन तुवें दिवपा जायो बिकॉज आज ना will the government my specific question to the government, will you engage expert agencies? Because most of the Gram Sabhas you have power. Gram Sabhas object, but then some very selectively you select. But majorly people do not want. Today the High Court is monitoring MRFs. How many MRFs do we have? Then the High Court intervenes and stops the permission, any construction.
opposition leader
So, will the government engage an expert agency for this carrying capacity studies of the Goa's villages? हे म्हाका तुवें आन्सर दिवपाचो.
माजी मंत्री
Speaker sir, ultimately हो प्रश्नच येयला and it boils down on carrying capacity. As he has read out the definition, I also know how many people are there living in that area. रस्तो कितलो रुंद आसा, थिंगा electricity हाडपा शकता काय ना, उदो पावतले काय ना, व्हडलो प्रोजेक्ट येयला आहा ते लोकां एफेक्ट जातलो काय ना, असले स्टडी करपाचे गरज आसा. तेणी हे प्रश्नावळीक आयिल्ले आसा आनी हांवें सांगला गव्हर्मेंट सिन्स इट इनवॉल्व्स मल्टिपल डिपार्टमेंट डेफिनेटली हेजेर आमी कितें योग्य स्टेप घेवपा ते घेतले कित्याक आमकांय नाका हॅपहॅझर्ड ग्रोथ म्हणजे कांयच्या कांय विलेज वाडटली आनी कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी ना जाल्यार हांवें सांगला हे आमी मान्य मुख्यमंत्र्या वांगडारूय बसोन बाकीचे डिपार्टमेंटूय खंयचे लागता तेंचे बरोबर बसोन एक मेकॅनिझम आमी वर्कआउट करतले. So that as much as opposition is concerned, we are also concerned. We want development, but healthy development.
High Court has intervened, given instructions regarding
मंत्री
there is about MRF sheds. This, अरे तेगे supplement
मंत्री नाही कितने वेळ घेवपा जाता ते लिमिट आहा मरे
This is
यस
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
Enough said! Enough said, let's end so drinking in the rhythm, what you're feeling is the vibe. About to make a drink and wanna race it to the tribe. Minutes is the time when I'm bringing in the ride. Enough said, let's end so join the tribe.